Welcome to this channel. In this video, I'll show you how to appeal and get your restricted Google business profile reinstated. As you can see, it says your business is not visible to customers. Your access has been suspended because the profile doesn't follow the guidelines. So when they say something like this, you have to appeal and probably get your account reinstated because the account has been suspended for violating the Google business guidelines. So if you come to Google, let me just show you what you're supposed to do. So you come and type Google Business Profile Reinstatement Request. You see all these two articles I'm showing here. So you click on Reinstate My Google Business Profile. Then it brings you here. When it brings you here, you read all these guidelines and then you come and click on Submit and Appeal. Then when you click on Submit and Appeal, it brings you here. You're supposed to confirm the account you want to use. So example, let's say I am using this particular Google account I've logged in, and I click on Confirm. It will bring you here and then ask you to select the business you want to confirm the appeal. So all the businesses that you manage will show here, and the business that you are having the restriction on will appear, and you will have to select it. In fact, these two businesses, I don't have any problem with it, but I just want to show you an example. Let's say if I want to select this business, I would have just selected it. If I had a restriction on it, the information would have come for me to continue. Because I don't have any restriction, that is why it is showing that I don't have a restricted business, so I cannot appeal. But if your own shows, then you follow. There are a lot of processes that you have to follow. You have to submit a lot of documents, and the document that they will normally ask you to submit. So first of all, you'll be asked to submit your personal information, your first and last name, and your position in the business, if you are the one that owns the business, or if you are just a representative of the business or an employee, you can fill that information. You will be asked to submit the business information or the business documents like certificate of incorporation or bank, maybe bank statement or electricity or utility bill like water bill. So the utility bill can be electricity or water bill, or as I said, bank statement or certificate of incorporation. Whichever they ask, just make sure you submit it. And after everything is done, then you go and click on what? Submit. They may also ask of your identity card. Your identity card could be your either your national ID card or your voter ID card or your driving license, your passport, any of them that has your first and last name, they will ask for it. Then after that, they will also ask of your business, the business ID. So for the business ID, you will come to your Google account. When you go to your Google, you click on this particular one, and then you click on the business profile manager. Then all your businesses that you manage, it will show here. So you click on see profile, then you come and click on these three dots, and then you go to business profile settings. Then you scroll down and go to advanced settings. Then you will see your business profile ID. So you copy the ID and then put it there. Then you'll be able to submit. Then in submitting, they will ask you to write a letter describing why they should reinstate your account. So I want to give you a sample letter that I used the last time. That helped me to get my account reinstated. And then you can use that one too. What I said is, I said about 2 weeks ago, I noticed that my business profile wasn't showing on Google search. So I investigated and realized my business profile has been suspended. And I don't know why. My business is a guest house. So you may state whatever business you are doing. And then I said, I do real or legitimate business. I read all the Google naming guidelines. I stipulated that. I'll put the link there. And that link that I just kept there, this is it. I think this is it. It is a link containing or describing the Google business guidelines, the naming guidelines. So that is it. Then I said that I am extra sure I didn't violate any Google's policies. But if I made any mistake without knowing, please forgive me and reinstate my business profile because I don't have any intention to violate Google's policies. So that is what I said. And I really indicated that I don't do anything that is against their policies. So if you do that, they will read, if any, the one that will go through it will understand you better, and they will review the restriction or the suspension. It may be from their side. Let me also let you know that if you are the type that runs several businesses, let's say that your business has several branches in uh, um, that is many locations, and you wanted to create one Google business profile, like you wanted to create several Google business profile for all the branches. Sometimes it may result in this. So if that is the case, you have to also include that in the explanation. On the other hand, if you mistakenly created several Google business profiles by mistake, you have to delete them. So you can come here. So for example, if I come and select this one and I want to delete, I'll just come here and click on what? Permanently close. So if I click on, in fact, I have to even click on remove business. Permanently close means that it is closed, but it may still be in your account. But remove business means that it is removed forever. So you just remove those that you created by mistake and leave the one that really truly represent your business. And then after you are done, you submit. When you submit, they will review it and get back to you within 2 weeks. Normally from 48 hours to 2 weeks, you'll get a response. And I'm sure if you follow the right procedure, your account will be reinstated. If you follow this and you still have any problem, let me know. You can leave your comments in the comment section. You can follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link to contact us to help you make sure that you are whatever problem you have relating to digital marketing, you will get it resolved. We do Facebook and Instagram ad campaigns, Google ads, and we fix those advertising restrictions. If you contact us, we can help you, but we charge very affordable prices to do that. Thank you once again, and see you in the next video. Bye.